Welcome to the detailed walkthrough on using SelfServe360 Cashier View. Today, we are going to cover every feature step by step to ensure you can utilize this system to its full potential. I've already logged in the Cashier View, and I'm here landed on the dashboard. To access the SelfServe Cashier View, navigate to the SelfServe option from the left side menu. Click on it. This will expand and open the submenu. The very first option you will see is the Cashier View. Click on the Cashier View, and this will load the cashier screen for you. The cashier screen is basically divided into two sections. The top section has some filters to filter the information, and the bottom section displays the actual details and information from customers' orders. By default, the cashier screen displays the data of the current date, but since we do not have any entries for today, it shows no record found. Let me place one order as a customer from the kiosk view, the front end, and then I will continue with this video. Okay, now that I have placed one order, you can see that a notification is received by the cashier on the cashier screen. Order number 5 is populated. Let's start with the top section, which has a few filters. The first filter we have is the date range with a starting date and an ending date. Next is the place to input the order number if you need to search by order number, and search for that particular order details. The other two filters are the payment status filter that contains options like order received, paid, confirmed, on hold, ready for delivery or pickup, and void orders, and the other field is the kiosk filter. With the help of this filter, you can select from which kiosk the order has been placed. For an example, kiosk 1 and so on. Using these filters, you can search for the order information. Once you set these filters and hit the show button, the information according to the set filter values will be displayed in the table below. If you want to reset all the filters, simply click or hit the reset button to reset all the filters. Now, coming to the bottom section, the information is displayed in table format. The different columns in the order from left to right are the serial number, order number, sales date, customer name, kiosk number, to specify from which kiosk that particular order has been placed, invoice total, sales status, payment confirmation, order completion status, void entry, sales refund, and the last is for placing an order on behalf of the customer. Now, if I click the order number, the order details are displayed in a pop-up that displays the item name, the quantity, rate, and amount, and other details. Here, I get the option to either print the order by clicking the print button, or clicking the cancel button will close the pop-up and return back to the Cashier View main screen. The other details in the table like sales date, customer name, etc. are self-explanatory. Let us see how the Confirm Paid switch and Complete switches work. By default, both switches are turned to No. When the customer places an order, the cashier needs to click on this switch and turn it to Yes, which means payment is done, and the kitchen staff will receive a notification on the kitchen view screen of the new order confirmed. We will cover the kitchen view in the next video. The next switch is turned to Yes when the order is completed and food is either picked up by the customer or sent for delivery. The next option is the Void. You can void either the full order or selected items from the order by either selecting one or more items or all items and then press OK. So, this is how the Void functionality works. The red Refund button next to the Void button says, Cannot refund, because you cannot process a refund when the customer has not made the payment. But contrary to this, if the customer has already made the payment, you can surely process a refund, but you cannot void. So, now let us turn this confirm payment to Yes, assuming that the customer paid the amount of $8.40. This will show the confirmation message, and the system will ask you to confirm the payment by pressing the Yes button and disable this switch, else you will be taken back to the Cashier View screen. Upon confirmation, the sales status will be updated to Paid. The last column shows an icon that can be clicked to place a new order on behalf of the customer. Finally, let's place a new order. I'll click on the Place a New Order icon, and you'll see how the system allows us to enter a new order on behalf of a customer. Thank you for following along with this detailed walkthrough of the SelfServe360 Cashier View. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to manage your transactions more efficiently and provide better service to your customers. If you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to us via email at info@nwc360.com or call us at 877-331-0757. Our team is always ready to assist you. You can also chat with us online for quick responses. Thank you for choosing SelfServe360, a service by Next World Communications. We're excited to help you grow your business for yourself, but not by yourself. Enjoy your experience.